All right, y'all, we've reached the last city for the rest of our trip. The next 2 nights will be spent here. This is Chania. It's Saturday night, and I haven't had food for, I don't know, probably like 5 or 6 hours. So I'm gonna head to the harbor where this massive amount of people looks to be, and get some food. Gotta say, this is a really nice promenade. The problem I've seen with these Greek cities is there's a whole lot of like really ancient, dilapidated, abandoned buildings that are no longer used. And it just kind of offsets the whole look of the city. But they did a nice job with this promenade. I think I'm in heaven. It looks like every other store is an ice cream place. It's gonna be the greatest night. Okay, now this is the harbor. And it's supposed to be a famous, or not necessarily famous, but an old mosque up here. And then there's a the Chania's lighthouse in the distance, which I think you can see. And this promenade is very, very popular. My host for the B&B told me that this section here just is all restaurants and bars, which, I mean, obviously it would be that way, but oh wow, you know, it kind of reminds me of Venice. I mean, with the water adjacent, just the promenade pathway. Speaking of Venice, that building says Villa Venezia. Okay, just ate some, we had some more seafood at an Italian restaurant, and I had 3 mojitos, so I'm feeling good. Now I'm just gonna walk around, and of course I'm gonna get some ice cream. Hell, I might even get ice cream from 2 different places. It's gonna be awesome. Again, this is a pretty cool promenade.